Good day. Uh, to have the continuation on our Microsoft Word practical class, so we are going to continue with the following items that we're going to practice on: header and footer, page numbering, watermark, tables, picture insertion, column division, paper orientation, equation and symbol, word art, drop cap, number and bullets, using text box. So these are what we shall look at in this video tutorial. So to start with, we're going to start inserting header and footer. And what is the purpose of header and footer? When you are inserting header and footer, then you are trying to repeat the same content in several pages. So instead of doing it one after the other, so you can simply do it at once using the header and footer. That means instead of repeating the step, doing it on each page by yourself, one after the other, you can simply do it on one page and it will appear in all other pages that you have in your document. So to insert header and footer, you click on Insert tab, then under the group of command called header and footer, then you can insert the header. Look at what we have here. Header helps you to repeat content at the top of every page, while footer help you to repeat content at the bottom of every page. So if you want to insert header, you click on header option. Then by so doing, you're going to have different option that is going to display to you. Then you can select the option that you want. So we have this is the blank. This is a 3-column header option. So if you want to insert more than one option, the content, you can make use of this. So let's assume we are trying to just input our name at the header of the document. So we can just select this, then you have it here. So all I will do is just to type my name. So this is my name. So I have just my name on the header. So to go out of the header, just press escape key. Then if you have more than one page, it's going to appear on all the pages. So to have another page, I'm just going to press enter key until I get it onto a new page. So you can see we have another page, and that content in the header appears there. So if I add more page, that's how we're going to have it. So that is the function of the header. Now we can still add more to the content of header. So to go back to the header, just double click inside the header portion, then it will take you back there. Now we can also use that opportunity to add what is called pagination, page numbering into our header. If you want to page number your document, the number of pages that you have, you will still make use of the header. So if you use page number directly, it's going to be inserted in header or footer. So you're going to ask you to select the part where you want to actually add the header. Okay, so I want to include page numbering, and I'm inserting it to the right of the header. So all I need to do is just click here and go back to insert, then click on page numbering. So do I want to insert it at the top or at the bottom, whatever. So whichever option that you want, you select it from here. Top of page, bottom of page, page margin, blah blah blah. So I'm using the top of page and I'm clicking on this. So you can see that has replaced the content that I have here. Okay, so if I want it to the right of the header, so I can still go back, top of page. So I need to go with this option. If I want to put it at the center, I use this. If I want to put it to the left, I use this. Okay, so you have it there. Now the essence of page numbering is to customize our document having the page number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So if I go to the next page now, it's going to appear 2. So next page is going to appear 3. So the same thing to our footer. So we can also insert footer. So go to insert, go to header and footer, then click on footer. Okay, so it is not just only page numbering that we can insert. You can insert so many things there. So I'm using this 3-column footer. So you can have something to type here. Let's assume this is my name here. So I'm typing my name here. Okay, so I'm putting page number. It can be page numbering that I'm putting here. Okay, it has already appeared at the top, so that's why it's ignoring it at the bottom. So we can also insert something else here. Okay, let's say training. Then H1 phase 1. Okay, so this is how it's going to appear on all other pages. So let's observe that this is page 1. So page 2, we have it this way. Page 3, we're going to have it like that. So that's what is called header and footer. So during exam, when you are writing your either practical exam on WAEC or NECO, so they can ask you to use the header and footer to insert your name, your exam number, your whatever, your index number, and some other things that is actually pointing to you, so that at the end of the day, when you are doing the printing, it will just print out your name along with the document. So they can ask you to do that. So apart from that, you can also insert a customized picture in your header. So if I double click it now, I can put a picture on the header. Going to insert, click on picture, my system, this computer, then I can decide to put okay, let me just put this. So I can expand it, then it will appear on all other pages, just like that. So that is it. So we can have the same thing on all pages. So that is how, so you can design anything and put it there as your header and footer, so to customize your page. So in our next video, so we are going to look at watermark. So I've taken page numbering along with header and footer. So we look at watermark in our next video training. Thank you.